ZttRiee TV Stand. Boho meets modern, built for big screens and bigger vibes, storage goals achieved. Your TV's new best friend. Transform your living space with the ZttRiee TV Stand, a chic blend of boho charm and modern functionality. Designed to support TVs up to 65 inches, this entertainment center doesn't just hold your screen, it elevates it. The spacious 55.1-inch tabletop offers plenty of room for your media essentials, decor, or even a few indoor plants for a pop of nature. Its rattan-decorated doors add a cozy, natural touch, making your living room the envy of all. Forget boring stands, this piece screams personality while keeping your entertainment setup sleek and organized. Sturdy, stylish, and built to last. Say goodbye to wobbling stands and flimsy materials. With 6 solid wood legs, 2 adjustable for uneven floors, this TV console is a stability superstar. Crafted from durable P2 particleboard, it's designed to withstand years of movie marathons, gaming sessions, and binge-watching. The premium Veneer tabletop resists stains and scratches, making cleanup a breeze. Compared to other TV stands, ZttRiee blends aesthetics with durability, giving you a high-end look without the high-end price tag. It's not just furniture, it's an investment in style and function. Storage that works as hard as you do. Who says storage can't be stunning? This stand comes with adjustable shelves, 2 large cabinets, and a wide middle shelf, perfect for hiding clutter or displaying your favorite pieces. The 2 cable management holes in the back keep cords neat and out of sight, ensuring your setup stays clean and hassle-free. Whether it's gaming consoles, soundbars, or stacks of DVDs, this entertainment center is up for the challenge. It's not just a TV stand, it's your organizational ally in the fight against chaos. Easy to assemble, hard to resist. No PhD in furniture assembly required. ZttRiee includes easy-to-follow instructions, installation videos, and all the tools you need to put it together in record time. Unlike other stands that leave you scratching your head, this one's a stress-free build. In less than an afternoon, you'll have a centerpiece that transforms your space into a haven of style and functionality. Whether you're a seasoned DIY pro or a total newbie, this stand makes assembly as effortless as its maintenance. Affordable elegance for every home. Why settle for bland or overpriced when you can have the perfect blend of style, utility, and affordability? ZttRiee's TV stand offers premium features, like a stunning boho design, adjustable shelves, and robust build, at a price that won't make your wallet cry. It's versatile enough for any room, from cozy bedrooms to spacious living areas. Whether you're upgrading your entertainment setup or starting fresh, this stand promises value, durability, and charm. Make the smart choice and add a touch of timeless style to your home today.